Hello everyone, I am Professor Komal Ingale, Assistant Professor in Electrical Department of Godavari Foundations, Godavari College of Engineering, Jalgaon. My topic is Introduction of Renewable Energy Resources. In today's presentation, I will cover topics as shown in the slide. First is what are the renewable energy resources? Second, difference between renewable energy sources and non-renewable energy sources. Why we need renewable energy resources and the different forms of renewable energy resources. Let's move towards this presentation. What are the renewable energy resources? A renewable resource is one that can be used repeatedly and does not run out because it is naturally replaced. Examples of renewable energy resources are solar, wind, hydro, biomass, and geothermal energy. Next, we will see the difference between renewable energy and non-renewable energy sources. Diagram shows the examples of renewable energy sources are wind, hydropower, solar, geothermal, and biomass. The examples of non-renewable energy sources are oil, coal, nuclear, and natural gas. Renewable energy sources are freely available and abundant source of energy as compared to non-renewable energy sources. Non-renewable energy sources are limited, but in case of renewable energy sources are unending source of energy as well as pollution-free sources. Do you know fossil fuels currently supply 80% of the world's energy, but renewable energy sources use is rapidly growing. Next, we see necessity of renewable energy resources. As day by day electricity consumption is increases rapidly, but fossil fuels won't last forever for electricity generation. So, alternative energy source for electricity generation is renewable energy, which can be renewed and repeatedly. Renewable energy provides reliable power supplies and fuel diversification, which enhance energy security and reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Renewable energy can help to reduce energy imports and reduce fossil fuel use, which is largest source of carbon dioxide emissions. Use of renewable energy can reduce consumers' energy bills, also reducing stress on the grid and demand for fossil fuel power. Let's we see the different forms of renewable energy sources. Solar energy, wind energy, ocean or tidal energy, geothermal energy, and biomass energy. Now, I will describe you different forms of renewable energy resources and by one. First one is the solar energy. Solar energy is obtained from sun. Wind energy is obtained from air motion. Solar thermal energy is obtained from water or ocean. So geothermal energy is obtained from Earth's inside surface and biomass energy is obtained from domestic as well as commercial waste. First source of renewable energy is solar energy. Solar power is energy obtained from sun that is converted into thermal or electrical energy by using blades. Solar energy is the cleanest and most abundant renewable energy source is available. The applications of solar energy are solar cooker, solar heater, solar or PV cell. Diagram shows applications of solar energy. Solar energy is used for heating, which is obtained from sun rays, and sun rays is collected by solar plates, and this heat is used for water heating in domestic applications. Next application of solar energy is electricity generation. Sun rays are collected by solar plates and charged to battery, which is used for domestic lighting in night mode. Next source of renewable energy is wind energy. Wind is used to produce electricity using the kinetic energy created by air in motion. This energy is transformed into electrical energy by using wind turbines. It is clean and free source of energy for electricity production. Next source of renewable energy is ocean or tidal energy. The ocean covers 75% of the world's surface. Ocean energy refers to all forms of renewable energy derived from the sea. The ocean contains two forms of energy are as follows. First form of energy is ocean thermal energy conversion from the sun's heat, and the second form of energy is mechanical energy from tides and waves. Here we can see electricity generation by using tides. Water is stored at high level and water starts to flow from high level to low level of water. Due to this water flow, turbine starts to rotating and energy is converted into mechanical energy for electricity production by using the generator. Next, we see the next form of renewable energy is geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is a type of renewable energy taken from the Earth's core. It comes from heat generated during the original formation of the planet. High temperatures of over 4000 degrees Celsius cause some of the rock in the center of the Earth to melt and form hot molten rocks called magma. This magma's heat is used to produce steam in thermal power plant for electricity production. Diagram shows the Earth's surfaces and layers of Earth which has their different temperature ranges. Slide shows electricity generation using geothermal energy. Cold water is obtained from water, water sources, river, lake, and which is flow from water source to the inside of Earth's surface through inlet vents or pipes, where cold water is heated up by Earth's heat and transformed into hot water or steam, which is used in thermal power plant for electricity generation. Next form of renewable energy is biomass energy. Biomass is one of the primary sources which can be used to produce renewable and clean energy. Biomass energy is energy generated or produced by using living or once living organisms. It is unending source and available everywhere. It helps to social economic development in countryside. The most common biomass materials used for energy are plants, wood, and waste. Slide shows electricity generation by using biomass energy. Domestic waste is obtained from domestic toilets and which is stored in domestic biogas digester. Here, biogas is produced and this biogas is used for domestic lighting, cooking, domestic heating. The advantages of biomass energy are this source reduces cutting of trees, smoke or pollution free problems, and health problems. That's all about renewable energy sources. Thank you everyone.